Today is November 7th. It was a great day for shorting on this particular day. If you see, here's the aftermath after the market is closed. The Dow's down 360 points, roughly 2.64%, and the other markets are down roughly about 2 to 2.5% as well. So wonderful day for shorting. I hope you caught a piece of it. I certainly did. Let me show you one candidate that I did catch a piece of, and that was AGN, Allergen Incorporated. Let's roll back a little bit here. We've got a situation where the stock has been in an uptrend, then does a pretty hefty pullback right into the 50-day rising moving average, and then comes back up into a double top sort of situation. So not necessarily too bearish of a situation, but what I ended up seeing on an intraday chart was more of a bearish scenario. So let's jump to that intraday chart. Here we have the intraday of Allergen. In the morning we got a gap down. This is kind of a strange candle. I don't know how real that is. But what we end up getting is a nice jump back up, and then the stock just slowly petering out throughout the morning. Now this is a 15-minute chart. My goal was to enter this stock when it broke the low of this candle here. I actually put it a little bit lower than that, 66.50. So the idea that the stock was going to break down, I had a nice little point here to place my protective stop at 67.01 and a penny above that, so I went around 67.02. So with an entry at 66.49 and a stop at 67.02, I had roughly 50 cents of risk in this trade. Let's walk forward and see what happened during the day. There's a stock breaking down to 66.49. I've now entered this stock short at 66.49. I'm looking for this stock to go lower. That's why I'm short. Now let's track what goes on. Some sideways movement here. Now I'm not doing anything with my stop at this point. I'm not getting nervous. This looks a lot like a low base to me. So I'm sticking with this. There, the stock breaks down a little bit further. Pops back up, once again still sitting on my hands. The part of most stock trading is remaining patient, so we're patient. Stock continuing to go sideways, and then what ends up happening is the entire market takes a wonderful drop. And you're going to see right here that we end up getting a nice fall through on this stock as the market does that as well. I ended up liquidating this position at 65.07. right at 3:59 p.m. Eastern Time, just before the market closed. The end result was roughly 3 times the reward versus my risk, so a 3-to-1 reward risk on this particular trade. I wish you all the best with the shorting in this current market condition, and check out all the other great videos here at freetradingvideos.com.